weather, but we're going to move on from wind and start talking about clouds. So some of the things we're going to do today are talk about what clouds are, what they do. We're going to watch a short movie clip, and then we're going to make these awesome flip books where you guys are going to be able to show me what you learned about the three main types of clouds. So the most important thing is that you listen to me about what the different cloud types are, okay? So, let's get started. Michael, if an alien plopped down on Earth and had no idea what a cloud was, what would you tell him that you know about clouds?
I need Michael for little Miss.
Oh my gosh, Michael, you're going home early. Do you want to quickly tell me, before you get your stuff, what you would tell an alien about clouds? They're what? Now, what would you say about a cloud? What is a cloud? Like, where do you find a cloud?
In the sky.
In the sky. Awesome. All right, Michael, see you later. Have a great day. All right, you would find a cloud in the sky.
I got one.
Who can raise their hand and quietly tell me something that they know about clouds? Kenyon. Oh, clouds. It can be very cold when there's clouds. Yes, nice job, Kenyon. It can be cold when there's clouds. Sebastian, thanks for raising your hand.
And they can be shaped as
They might make different shapes, yeah.
like a shape as a horse, or shape as a fire, or
Right.
shape as a fish.
They come in different shapes. Javier, I would love to hear what you would like to share, but I need to see a hand quietly raised. Javi.
I have watched the Zulu troll coming into the clouds. Those black ones are those other ones are rain, and those other kind are like the snow.
Yes, yes. So some clouds make rain and some make snow. Absolutely. I'm sorry, Deshaun. That's your only warning before I have to move you to yellow because you're erupting on your friend's words right now. And that's making me feel kind of sad. So they can make rain or snow. Who can tell me what they look like? Javier.
They're almost like fuzzy balls.
They kind of look fuzzy in the sky. Sure, absolutely. What color are clouds? I know you mentioned they can be dark. What else? Well, Javi's got a lot to share. Does anyone else want to share anything about clouds? Jonathan, I would like to hear what you know about clouds. I need your eyes for whole body listening. What color are clouds?
White.
Yes, they are often white. Absolutely. Is there anything else we know about them? Do we know what they're made of? No? Well, we're going to learn what they're made of today. Is there anything else? Do you always see clouds in the sky? Every single day, no matter what? Are there always tons of clouds? There are? I don't know. I think, like right now, I'm looking out the window and it looks really sunny out there. There might be some clouds, but is the whole sky cloudy? No, they come and go, right? They change. So clouds are full of change, and they come and go.
It's starting to get me full. Can I use that?
Well, I guess. There you go, honey. All right. So you guys did a nice job brainstorming some words about clouds. There are three different types of clouds. Deshaun, are you listening to my words? The three different types of clouds are cirrus clouds, stratus clouds, and cumulus clouds. I'm going to show you guys a quick picture so that you can see up close what these different clouds look like. And then I want you to tell me some of the words you can think of based on what I show you. So these clouds right here that are really close to the ground, those are stratus clouds. Can you point to the stratus clouds? Close to the ground. Right here. Right? And then the ones in the middle, John, whole body listening, I need your eyes. These ones in the middle are called cumulus clouds. They're kind of big and puffy, right?
Yeah.
And then these clouds way up here, very, very high in the sky, those are cirrus clouds.
Cirrus clouds make rain?
Well, we're going to talk about that in just a minute. Possibly, although they kind of look like they're moving quite a bit in this picture. All right? So, based on what we see here, who could tell me some of the words they can think of to describe these three types of clouds? Sebastian, can you start with stratus clouds, those ones that are towards the bottom of the ground?
It probably has that kind of
Oh gosh, I asked what stratus clouds look like.
This one's a tiny bit.
I'm going to move on. Jonathan, what do you know about stratus clouds? These ones right here, towards the ground. What do you see about them?
You bet water.
Oh, you see that they're close to water? Okay, maybe. So they hang low, maybe near water.
And
Javi, what can you think of? Are they separated out?
yeah.
Look at these ones. What do you see here?
Those ones, like on the bottom, but the other ones in the middle, they're like close together.
Right.
The other ones make those way like the back and the one that's laying in snow and
Right. So I liked what you were saying about that. They're really stretched out and they're very, very close together, right?
Deshaun and John.
There's a word that I would use to describe this. Sebastian, I want you to listen because I think you know this word. When the clouds cover the whole sky and they're really, really low to the ground, how would you describe it outside? It starts with an F. It's really fog. Who can think of that word? Deshaun, can you think of the word? When it's really gray and cloudy out and the clouds, it almost feels like you can touch them. I would say it's really foggy. Yes, I would say it's really foggy. So stratus clouds make really foggy air outside. What about cirrus clouds? Oh, I'm sorry, actually, let's go back to the cumulus clouds, the ones in the middle. What do the cumulus clouds look like? Any guesses? Javi, you had some good ideas. What shapes are they? Show me with your hands. How do cumulus clouds look? Oh, they look really round? Yes, absolutely. Nice job, Kenyon. Javier, what did you notice about these cumulus clouds?
those cumulus clouds almost like those dark ones like make rain and like the others.
Well, I'm looking at the cumulus clouds, which are here in the middle, and they don't really look like they're showing me a whole lot of rain right here, but how would you describe their shape? Do they look really flat?
Almost. Yeah.
These ones right here?
Oh
Sebastian, what do you think? Do you agree?
no.
No. How would you describe them?
They're like big.
They're very big, yeah. Would you say they're fluffy? Deshaun, do you think these look fluffy? I would say so too. Jonathan, only warning to sit up and use full body listening or I have to move you to yellow. Thank you. Yes, they are big, they're fluffy, maybe puffy. Those are the cumulus clouds. And the very last ones, cirrus clouds. Javier, I need you to put the snake away. How would we describe cirrus clouds? What did I say it looks like they're doing? They're moving, right. So cirrus clouds are usually moving. Are they low to the ground? No, they're very high up. Deshaun, can you see anything else? Anything interesting about cirrus clouds? Are they big or little? I think these clouds look big. These ones look pretty tiny, right? Yeah. So these ones are a lot smaller and kind of wispy. Do you guys know what wispy means? That means they're not very thick. It means they're kind of thin, and you can almost see through them. All right. So now that we've talked about these 3 different types of clouds, I'm going to show you guys a quick video. John, are you listening? Thank you. I'm going to show you a quick video.
John, can I share the pillow with him?
No. Thanks for asking, though. It's only supposed to be a tool to help you if you absolutely need it, Javi. Not so much something to share and play with friends. Oh, gosh. Can you guys hear this?
What are clouds made of? From, like, well, real clouds
Let
aren't
me
made of cotton.
pause this really quick.
The air around
I want to make sure you can hear this, my friends. Let me get our volume button. Hey, Ben, are you joining us for science today? Go ahead and find your spaceship.
I done math.
You did? Oh, you're fabulous. I'm going to get you a dream ticket, and we'll go in the treasure box as soon as we've moved into our offices, okay? All right, there we go. All right, so Ben, we're just doing a quick lesson on clouds. We're going to watch this little video clip to describe the different types of clouds.
Hey, cool. Are those supposed to be clouds?
Kenyon, I need you to sit down, please.
Dear Tim and Moby, what are clouds made of? From Mike. Well, real clouds aren't made of cotton. The air around us is full of water vapor. When that water vapor cools, it condenses around particles of dust and smoke to make tiny water droplets. Clouds form when millions of these water droplets gather together. Right, when it's really cold, vapor will condense into ice crystals instead of water droplets. That cloud on the left is made of water droplets. Its edges look solid, and it can be gray in color if the cloud is thick enough. The cloud on the right is made of tiny ice crystals. It has fuzzy edges, and it's almost pure white. You can tell a lot just by looking at clouds. Cumulus clouds look the most like cotton balls. They're puffy and white with flat bottoms. These stratus clouds form in layers. The fog you sometimes see in the morning is made of low stratus clouds. These feather-like cirrus clouds are made of ice crystals. They're bright white with wispy edges. Lots of times you see combinations of all these clouds in the sky. They come in all different shapes, sizes, and shades of gray. Wow, you really got into those clouds. Sure, I can definitely see the different types.
All right. Thanks for doing such a nice job of listening during that, Deshaun. I want to compliment you because you were especially quiet and attentive during that short movie. Move this back. Sebastian, you were as well. So before we move into our offices, well, Ben, I'm going to need you to leave that right there, please. You can put it right back where you found it. Thank you. If it's over by the teacher chair, you can just leave it right here. Before we move to our offices, I want to kind of explain how clouds work a little bit more, and I have an awesome demonstration to show you. Deshaun, I'm going to need you to put that back in the red bin for me, please. 3, 2, 1. Thanks, Sebastian. That's a really great choice. All right, so what you heard in the video was that clouds are made of what? Water. They're made of these water molecules. And what happens is the water rises up from the ground and collects up inside the cloud until eventually the cloud gets so packed with water that it has to dump it out, and it either turns into rain or snow depending on how warm or cold the air is underneath it. So I kind of want to show you guys what this means. Let's pretend that this water is like the air outside, okay? I'm going to make clouds above the air with my shaving cream.
Ew. Is that soap?
And then I'm going to add moisture into my clouds, just like it would happen if water was... It is, but we're going to pretend that this is like the moisture today that collects in these clouds. And I want you guys to watch what you see